Good evening. It's a very kind of cloudy day today, but we have some blue skies, so we'll see what we can get. There's supposed to be a daily Amazon coming over and a JetBlue. We'll see if we can get those. Hey, look, a United 757. It's going from Newark to LAX. There's a Frontier A320neo going from Knoxville to Denver. Frontier got a little closer.
It's going that way as it could.
It's going that way.
Yeah. It's like going straight as the city needs to go.
It's going to the city it needs to go. Yeah, you're right. We have an Air Canada Wookiee going from Phoenix to Toronto. A220. Daughter's bouncing on the trampoline in the background.
Daddy,
What?
the clouds are moving.
Yeah, they do that. You see that airplane?
Daddy,
Yeah.
help me with my shoe.
Okay, hold on a sec. Found another Frontier. I'm not sure where it's going because Flight Radar wasn't loading for me. Almost guarantee it's coming from Denver though. It's about to go right above me here. Take a break from this real quick and go find this Delta 757. There it is. It's going from Detroit to Phoenix, I believe. United A319 from Memphis to Denver. Looking really pretty in the sunset there. Well, that's all I have for today. thanks for joining me, and we'll leave you with this really neat picture of the moon.